Hello! Today we are going to divide whole numbers by decimals. Here is the problem. 7 divided by 0.4. So what's the first thing I do? I need to write it as a division problem. And it's always the first number that goes in the box because this is what I'm dividing. Now, what do I do? How do I do 7 divided by 0.4? Well, the answer is I don't. I turn this into a whole number. I turn 0.4 into just 4. And I do that by multiplying it by 10. But if I'm multiplying this by 10, that means I have to multiply this, the 7 by 10. So that means I have to move my decimal point to here. And then what do I have here? I have a gap. So I have to put a 0. So instead of 7 divided by 0.4, what I have now is 70 divided by 4. Where will my decimal point go? It's here, so I'll move it up. Does 4 go into 7? Yes, it does. One time. That gives me 4, gives me a remainder of 3. I bring down the next number. Does 4 go into 30? Yes, it does. 7 times. 7 times 4, 28. Remainder 2. Now, I've got to the end of my number. I'm already past the decimal point. Does 4 go into 2? No. What can I do? Add a 0. 4 goes into 20. How many times? Anyone? I'm waiting for the people who don't exist to tell me what it is. So the answer would be 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. 0 is my remainder, meaning 7 divided by 0.4 equals 17.5.